Alright, this will be a real quick video on how to repair an inline fuel filter. This is a relatively common fuel filter. It's the best one I found so far on the internet. I've done a review on it a few months ago, maybe over a year ago, and it's not really its fault. The problem is was pretty much caused by me and around here. So as you can see, there's this end part, filters in the middle, and there's like a screw, and then the glass, and then the other end, and the other ends tighten together to squash the glass, and there's these rubber seals at the end. And as I was disassembling my filter here, in order to clean the filter you need to disassemble it, and I ended up dropping the little rubber. It was actually pretty loose, so that's a fault with this design. It's the seal on it is pretty loose, so it ended up falling, and then gas just leaks all over the place. And then it could be potentially dangerous, right? But anyways, you could buy another filter. It's only $7, and you have to pay a bit more for shipping, so let's say 20 bucks. But you have to wait a few days, and I'm not a patient guy. So what I ended up doing is doing a MacGyver style repair, and I just used this 3/4 hose. And first what I did, I cut this big piece, and then I put the piece against an arbor wheel, a miter saw, or whatever, a miter saw, but for steel, just to make sure that the ends are flat. Just pushed it against. So you could use a sander, a belt sander, whatever, just to make sure the ends are flat as possible. Then I used a regular knife just to cut a thin little piece off, and then I put it in there. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. Give it a second to zoom in. So yeah, that's my solution. Then you just put it back on, and that's it. Real quick solution. I don't like this falling from the review. Yeah, I guess that's the only problem I've had with this thing so far. I couldn't find any better units, unfortunately, but my next video on this subject will probably be a custom-made filter assembly, fuel filter assembly. But that's for our next video. So I hope this helps.